So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss the best free video editors which you can use to edit your videos, reels, etc. So today we are going to look at some of the free video editing apps which you can get, and these all video editing apps or website are very simple to use, and some of them I have personally used it for my video editing also. So today we are going to discuss all about them, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing as I keep making these videos every now and then, and like the video if you like it. And without any further ado, let's get right into it. So the first free video editor which we are going to talk is a very basic video editor, and many of you might not even thought that this video editor might be already installed on your computer if you are using Windows PC. So the video editor which I am talking about is the Windows 10 video editor. So this particular video editor is actually built in your particular Windows laptop, and you can cross check by looking it in your laptop. So this is a basic video editor. If you are beginner and you are trying to edit videos, then you can just use this particular video editor. It is very simple to use, but the drawback of this particular video editor is that you cannot do picture in picture videos. So that is the one drawback of this particular application. Now let's move on to the second video editor which I have also personally used, and it is known as Clipchamp. It is from Microsoft only, and it is a free video editor which you can download from Microsoft Store, and I have personally used this particular video editor. It is very good editor. It is very easy to use. Even a beginner can start using it on the first day itself, and you can edit green screen videos on it. I have personally used this video editor for editing green screen videos, and it is a very good application. It is free of cost. There are no ads, and the advantage of this particular application is that after exporting the video, you can directly upload to YouTube, Facebook, Insta. So that is a very good integration that Microsoft has done in this particular application. And the third application is particularly for Mac users or Apple users, and that is iMovie. I have also used this application for editing videos, and I particularly use this application more than Clipchamp, and it is also available for free. The main advantage of this video editor is that, again, same, it is very easy to use, and you can also actually edit green screen videos on it. At first I also thought that green screen videos are not possible to edit on iMovie, so I used Clipchamp, but later I found out that you can actually edit green screen videos on iMovie also. So it is a very good application for Mac users. If you are using Mac, then I will highly recommend this iMovie application. It is very easy to use, and if you are beginner and you don't know how to use Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, then this is the go-to application that you should install and see it yourself. And the fourth application is slightly higher level. So if you are good in video editing skills or you know this application, then only use this, and it is DaVinci Resolve. So many of you would be thinking that this is a paid application, but no, the free version is actually available on their website and you can install it. But the main problem with this application is that it is difficult to use. So if you are a beginner and you, for example, open this application, you will see many of the stuff on the screen and you will be confused as to how to edit your videos. So if you want to use this particular application, it is very good. You can do all the video editing stuff on this application like a pro, but for beginners I will not recommend this application as it is slightly difficult to use. So that is one thing to consider. But if you are very good in video editing skills, then I will recommend you this application, DaVinci Resolve. First try to use the free application. If you find it good, then only use it. Now the fifth one is OpenShot Video Editor. You might have heard this name first time, but it is also a good application. You can download this particular application by searching OpenShot Video Editor on Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, and you can download the APK from there. Now this is also one of the good video editors available for free on the internet, but the UI is not great. You can edit videos, you can add transition, and you can layer different videos, but I will recommend go for this four first. If you don't like them, then go for this one. Now if you don't like these 5 video editors, then the last one which I have is Shortcut Video Editor. Yeah, this is actually the name of the editor. This is also available from free, but personally I have never used this two application. I particularly use this two application, and these two are very great. If you have the skills, then go for the DaVinci Resolve. Otherwise I would say go with these two, or if you are absolute beginner and don't know how to edit videos, then only I would say go with this pre-installed one, as you will not have to install any of the stuff like iMovie or Clipchamp. iMovie is also pre-installed, I guess, on the MacBooks, and it is also available on iPad also. So that is one thing to note. So these are the 6 free video editors which you should go for, and I will highly recommend. If you are a beginner, then go for this application. And if you want any tutorial on Clipchamp or iMovie, then do let me know in the comment section below. I will try to make a video on this too also if you are interested. So that's it for the video, and thank you for watching guys. Do subscribe to my channel for watching more of such videos, and we'll meet in the next one.